Good morning to all. Today we are going to study about the problem on Cauchy integral formula. That is, evaluate using Cauchy integral formula integration over C cos pi z divided by z square minus 1 dz around the rectangle with vertices 2 plus or minus I comma minus 2 plus or minus I. Here two terms are there. First one is 2 plus I, 2 minus I. This is minus 2 plus I, minus 2 minus I. See here, what is given? Given integration over C cos pi z divided by z square minus 1 dz, which is equal to integration over C cos pi z. The z square minus 1 can be written as z plus 1 into z minus 1 dz. Here f of z is cos pi z, z plus 1 into z minus 1, which is equal to 0. Here z plus 1 which is equal to 0. Here z minus 1 which is equal to 0, z which is equal to minus 1, z which is equal to 1 are the points. See here, what is given? Given is with the vertex, given is rectangle with vertices 2 plus or minus I, minus 2 plus or minus I. Given C is a rectangle with vertices are 2 plus or minus I, minus 2 plus or minus I. That is, see here, first you have to take 2 plus I. 2 plus I means here real part is 2, imaginary part is 1. Next 2 minus I. Real part is 2, imaginary part is minus 1. Again, minus 2 plus or minus I is first you have to take minus 2 plus I. Minus 2 plus I means that is minus 2, comma, imaginary part is 1. Minus 2 minus I, that is minus 2 minus 1. Draw a rectangle on the x-axis and y-axis, that is this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Here 2 comma 1 is in this section, this is in this quadrant, that is 2 comma 1. Here 2 comma minus 1 is, here x is 2, this is x is 2, y is negative means this is the quadrant, fourth quadrant. 2 comma minus 1, minus 2 comma minus 1 is, minus 2 comma 1 is, here x is minus 2, here x is minus 2, y is 1, y is 1. Next again minus 2 minus 1 means both are negative. Here third quadrant, this is the third quadrant. Draw a rectangle, this is the rectangle. See here 1 is, here is the 1, and points are, what are the points? Z which is equal to minus 1 and z which is equal to 1. Here this is the minus 1, this is the plus 1. This both slides inside the curve C. Z which is equal to 1 and z which is equal to minus 1 both lies inside the curve C. Next we have to consider by partial fraction, that is consider 1 divided by z plus 1 into z minus 1, which is equal to a divided by z plus 1 plus b divided by z minus 1, which is equal to a into z minus. By taking LCM, this goes to numerator and z plus 1 goes to numerator, that is a into z minus 1 plus b into z plus 1 divided by z plus 1 into z minus 1. Z plus 1, z minus 1, z plus 1, z minus 1 get cancelled. What is remaining? A into 1 which is equal to a into z minus 1 plus b into z plus 1. Put z which is equal to 1. Put z which is equal to 1 means in place of z is 1, that is 1 which is equal to 1 minus 1 is 0, a into 0 is plus b, z is 1, z is 1 means 1 plus 1, that is b into 2. This is 1 which is equal to b into 2, b value is 1 by 2. Put z which is equal to minus 1 means what is again put z which is equal to minus 1 in this equation. What is the answer? 1 which is equal to a into minus 1 into minus 1 plus b into minus 1 plus 1. Then minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, 0 into b is 0. This term goes to total term is 0. 1 which is equal to minus 1 is minus 2. That is 1 which is equal to a into minus 2. A value is minus 1 by 2. Again this equation becomes here 1 divided by z plus 1 z minus 1, which is equal to a value is minus 1 by 2 divided by z plus 1 plus b value 1 by 2 z minus 1. Here 1 by 2 is take it outside, 1 by 2 is take it outside, that is 1 divided by z minus 1 minus 1 divided by z plus 1. Taking both sides, integrating and f of z with respect to dz, that is integration over C cos pi z dz, z plus 1 z minus 1 dz, which is equal to 1 by 2 integration over C cos pi z divided by z minus 1 dz minus integration over C cos pi z divided by z plus 1 dz. Here the points are z which is equal to 1, z equal to minus 1. Both are lies inside the circle. What is the Cauchy integral formula? Integration over C f of z divided by z minus a dz, which is equal to 2 pi I f of a. First I have to take this part. What is the integration over C? integration over c cos pi z z minus dz is 2 pi I f of a value is 1, that means z which is equal to 1. This is the z which is equal to 1. F of z which is equal to, this is z which is equal to 1. This is the first part. F of z which is equal to cos pi z, f of 1 in place of z is 1, that is cos pi into z is z value is 1, cos pi value is minus 1. Next, here this becomes integration over cos pi z dz z minus 1 which is equal to 2 pi I. F of 1 is, what is f of 1? Minus 1, that is integration over c cos pi z divided by 2 pi I f of minus, this is the integration over c cos pi z divided by integration over c cos pi z divided by z minus 1 dz which is equal to minus 2 pi I. This is the equation 2. Again see here, integration over c cos pi z divided by z plus 1 dz which is equal to 2 pi I f of minus 1. F of minus 1 means, what is f of minus 1? Again you have to take f of z which is equal to cos pi z, in place of z is minus 1, that is f of minus 1 which is equal to cos pi minus 1. Here cos of minus theta is cos theta, cos of minus theta is cos theta. Here cos pi value is, what is cos pi value? That is cos pi value is minus 1. Cos pi value is minus 1. What is the second part? Integration over c cos pi divided by z plus 1 dz which is equal to, this is the minus 2 pi I, minus 2 pi. Substituting equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. What is the equation 1? Integration over c cos pi divided by dz z plus 1 into z minus 1 which is equal to 1 by 2. In place of integration over c cos pi z divided by z minus 1 dz is, what is the answer? Minus 2 pi I, that is minus 2 pi. Next, minus of integration of cos pi z divided by z plus 1 dz is minus of minus 2 pi I. Minus into minus plus, this one get cancelled. Answer is 0. Next, another problem for finding the Cauchy integral formula, that is evaluate integration over c z minus 4 divided by z into z square plus 9 dz. That is what is the problem? Evaluate integration over c z minus 4 divided by z into z square plus 9 dz where c is mod z which is equal to 1. Here radius is 1. Next, given, what is given? Integration over c z minus 4 divided by z square plus 9 dz. This can be written as integration over c z minus 4 divided by z square plus 9 whole divided by z dz. Again see here, this can be written as z minus 4 divided by z into z square plus 9 dz which is equal to integration over c z minus 4 divided by z square plus 9 whole divided by z dz, where f of z which is equal to, what is f of z? Here this is the f of z. F of z is z minus 4 divided by z square plus 9. Again here z is z which is taking z which is equal to 0. See here, given mod z which is equal to 1. Here 1 is the radius of the circle. Mod z which is equal to 1 is a circle with center at the origin. Here anything here now, here center at the origin, that is given mod z which is equal to 1 is a circle with the center at the origin and radius is 1. See here, draw a circle on point 1. Here what is the z value? Z value is 0. This is the 0, this is 1, this is minus 1. Here 0 is, z which is equal to 0 is lies inside the circle. That is, what is the circle? Mod z which is equal to 1. What is the formula? If it is lies the inside the circle means integration over c f of z divided by z minus a dz which is equal to 2 pi I f of a. What is f of z? That is z minus 4 divided by z square plus 9. Z minus a means, what is the value of a? 0. That is z dz which is equal to 2 pi I f of 0. Here first you have to find out f of 0. F of 0 means, what is f of z? F of z is z minus 4 divided by z square plus 9. Z minus 4 divided by z square plus 9. In place of z is f of 0 is, in place of z is 0. That is 0 minus 4 is minus 4. Again z is 0 minus 0 plus 9 is 0. That is minus 4 divided by 9. Minus 4 divided by 9. And next, integration over c z minus 4 divided by z into z square plus 9 dz. In place of f of 0 is minus 4 divided by 9. That is 2 pi I minus 4 divided by 9. That is 2 into minus 4 is minus 8 pi I divided by 9. This is the required answer.